This is the Telesin Backpack Camera Clip Mount, and you can use it with any compact 360 camera. And I have to say, I quite like it, so let's take a look. It's very lightweight and compact with a length when closed of 9 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. The clip mount also opens up to a longer length of 14 centimeters, which we'll look at in more detail later in the video. It's basically a large spring mount which you open up by squeezing it together. It comes with the standard GoPro style mount, so you can mount your Insta360 1R or your GoPro Max directly to it. If you have a 1X or another camera with a 1/4 inch thread, then you can use one of these adapters. The design and the construction looks pretty good, but is it any good for 360 use? For use on a single strap shoulder bag, you can clip it to the strap at the front and mount it in more or less a chest mount position, which gives you the same sort of variety of shots that you'd get from a chest strap mount. It's a good point of view position. If you mount it on a shoulder strap on a backpack, then it's a similar point of view but slightly off center and favouring one side. Positioned at the front of the body, either on a single strap in the middle or off to one side, isn't my favoured position because I don't think it gives you that many opportunities for reframing. My favoured position with this mount when using it with a backpack is mounting it on top of the strap on top of your shoulder. This puts the camera in a higher position and is an excellent position for walking, cycling, skiing, etc. because you can easily reframe in the app from in front to behind without having to physically move the camera position. So it's an ideal place to put the camera to take advantage of the 360 image. The mount is really strong, but as an added safety feature it does have a tether point, so you can put a safety cable on it just in case it falls off. And if you want to use your GoPro Max in hero mode, or you want to use your Insta360 1R with the 1-inch module or the 4K module, then this mount still works really well. This is because the mount is designed to rotate 360 degrees, so you can have the camera pointing forwards and then you can easily move it to the side and to the back and any position in between. And the ratchet mechanism that this mount uses feels really tough and really strong, so your camera isn't going to slip around on the mount. The other really useful thing about clipping this mount to your backpack is that you can use your backpack as a makeshift tripod. If you take your backpack off but leave the camera attached, you can do a vlog to camera, or you can use the bag as a tripod and film an action shot. And if you have a firm flat surface, you can even use the mount itself as a mini tripod. It's a little front heavy, so be careful if you're going to use the mount in this way, because you do run the risk of the camera tilting forwards. Even though we've looked at this mount as a backpack clip mount, it's a really versatile and strong mount, and you can pretty much clip it to anything that's relatively thin. So you can clip it to small trees, parasols, chairs, tables, and if you're feeling really brave, you can even clip it to your cap and use it as a cap mount, and you won't look stupid at all, honest. Some mounts that you use are really great for creating some really cool Tiny Planet style shots if that's what you're into. This mount is not one of those mounts. Because the clip is mounted so close to your body, when you come out to a Tiny Planet style shot, it just makes your face or your head look really distorted. But if you're into giant comedy ears, then you might like these shots. Even though this mount is really strong by itself, it isn't strong enough to then add extension arms to it. If you add an extension arm, then the camera and the mount moves around way too much, and the extra leverage of the extension arm means that you could easily break the mount. The problem with some mounts is that they can only be used in one way, and I think that's what I love about this mount, is that it's so versatile. It's one of those clamps that once you get it, you'll find all sorts of ways to use it. When my kids were little, they would have loved this clamp because you can also do stupid things like this. Hello, what's your name? Let me know in the comments what you think about this backpack clip mount, and let me know what your favourite camera mount is, and remember to subscribe for more review videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.